Hello students. In ninth topic we have seen applications of potentiometer. In that we have seen two applications. One is to compare EMF of cells by two different methods. One is individual method and other is sum and difference method. And second application is to find internal resistance of a cell. These applications are performed in a laboratory. Some applications are performed in practice that we will see, such as first application, a potentiometer is used as voltage divider. Sometimes we have to need voltage in different values, or the output voltage must be changed. So to vary the voltage, the potentiometer is used as voltage divider, in which this circuit diagram, in which a wire AB of potentiometer is whose point A is connected to higher potential of a cell of EMF E, and lower potential is connected to point B through a resistance R. Now a device which is used to divide the potential. One terminal of this device is connected to point A and other terminal is suppose at point P. This terminal is sliding over wire AB, means this can move on wire AB. So the length between this pointer and a point A, suppose L1, and the length between a pointer and the point B is suppose L2. By moving this pointer, the values of lengths gets changes. The value of length corresponds to different values of potentials. Suppose for L1 voltage is V1 and for L2 voltage is V2. Thus by moving this pointer P, we get two values of potentials, that is this total potential across wire AB gets divided into V1 and V2 in various values, different values. Thus a potentiometer is used as a voltage divider. Second application of potentiometer is as audio controller. In some audio systems, this potentiometer is used to control the loudness of sound and for controlling different characteristics of audio signals. And third application of potentiometer is used as a sensor. This potentiometer, this sliding potentiometer or pointer is used in a sensor. Thus, these were some applications of potentiometer. Now, we are going to discuss advantages of potentiometer over a voltmeter. We have seen potentiometer is a device to measure the potential difference between any 2 points in a wire AB, whereas this voltmeter is also a device which measures a potential. Both these devices, potentiometer and voltmeter, are used mainly to measure potential. Okay, so potentiometer is more sensitive than the voltmeter. Sensitivity of potentiometer is more compared to the voltmeter. Means for small value of voltage or potential can be measured by potentiometer. So sensitivity of potentiometer is more than the voltmeter. Now, the potentiometer measures potential difference more accurately than the voltmeter, because least count of potentiometer is much better than the voltmeter. And by using a potentiometer, we can measure potential difference as well as a EMF of cells. But by using a voltmeter, we can measure only potential difference. Thus, these are some advantages of potentiometer over a voltmeter. So, thank you, students.